Hi everyone, this is me, Yula. So it's been a while. Dami nangyari. So yeah, I'm just recording this one out of, out of boredom. So yeah, let's get this one done in a few minutes and let's get. I'm having this one more like a simple and more like a makeup that you can have when you go to work or you can have when you go to simple occasions in a daytime. So basically di ko kabalo mag makeup. Like it's my first time also doing my for a couple of years na mag makeup ulit sa self. So let's have this done in a few minutes. And I have these things up, pero di siya complete. Pero para sa ako, it's quite a useful one when you've done a simple makeup lang. So I've got a liquid foundation, what's this? A concealer. Yeah, for dark spots and all. I have this one, oil control face powder. Then a one go highlighter, a contour, a blush ons, and so on. Then for the palettes of eyeshadows, yeah. And got this cute little akong lippy here. LP. Yeah, also a lip wine, but for lip and cheek, tint. For lang siya. Yeah, ginagamit for college days. Mostly girls on my era that time, ginagamit kani pero I've seen them use this one for a double purpose here and sa lippy. So, yeah. So, I don't know how to start this one. Like, yeah. Di ko kabalo. Pero, let's get this one done in a while. Kaya wala tayong babuhat sa kwarto. Yeah. Mag-start lang ko siya for, wipes. I have this mini salmon over here. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see this white one. So, ito lang nimpyuhan ato ang kaugalingon from dust and everything. From dust and everything. Gikan ko na tulog. And it's quite some oily face over here. So, let's get this one done. So, weather update. Kaulan na siya, people. Nagdagum na siya. Like, super dagum. Like, dagum yun nga itom. Like, super itom. Mabagba ko ang dali. So, a lot of you asking. Siguro, dili a lot of you. Pero for documentation. Yeah, for documentation. Life update. Sa ato ang pilat baka years last upload ato ang YouTube. Ato ang video sa YouTube. Wait. So, that was 11 months ago. 11 months ago, 2025. Then, a year, 2024. Wow! So, it's quite some time before ta mag-upload another video sa atong YouTube. But this one is for, lang siya, documentation purposes. Documentation. Like, lang, naalay makita for sometime, playback. So, yeah. Wait lang. Ano ko yung mukha. So, for a couple of years, people, I got my first, no, not first, got a boyfriend last December 2024, like, end of that time. Then, dates and all that stuff while working. So, I met him at work. And, a friend, reto-reto, reto-reto, ganon. So, yeah, it's quite that life happened to me. So, then, yeah, good dates for a couple of months. And the great news is, got pregnant. Yeah, he was the one also. I introduced him to my family. Last December din. So, siya ang nakaagto una sa bahay. For getting to have each other's vibe and family things. So, yes. And all of that. So, got dates afterwards. Then, by May, around June, get pregnant. Yeah. So, some of my close friends, like during college and even social media, di kay ko gana upload. So yeah, gamay lang tao. Like, some tao lang mostly is from the close friends from work. And sa work mismo, na kabalo na, I'm pregnant that time. So, yes. So, paon sa ba? Got pregnant last June 2025. Then, got posted a lot of videos. Pero, wala ko ga-post, like, announcing that I'm having this kind of life happening sa akong kinabuhi. So, I really believe sa anong saying na don't announce anything until it's done. So, yeah, got conscious enough po sa akong self that time. And what really happened is that I tell you, pregnancy is not a joke. Some people say na, sakit ka na mag-leave. But don't you know na mas out of that journey is mas kapoy during your pagdala period. You know that. Like, I know some of the girls or some of moms out there knows na different views lang sa pregnancy na mas sakit, some of them says na masakit ang labor. But if I rate it sa ako ang pag-labor during delivery and pagsabak mismo, I chose that ang pagsabak is out of dili lang siya 10/10 ang kalisod. Yeah. Maybe people I know sa akong workplace, dili nila makuan na ako ang pagburos is so hard, ganun. Pero kapoy siya, guys. Kapoy din siya. Like, literally, you having that urge, oh my God, I'm having this transition in my life. Pero dili siya kinalitan. Actually, siya, one of our plans, pero, it's that, that plan got earlier na nahitabo sa imuha. So, yeah. So, akong liquid foundation. Ako niba na liquid foundation. Pero, yeah, that's let's get it in here. Yeah, nervous about having that. Dili siya bonggahang craving. Wala po ko so, during my 13 weeks, 13 weeks or so, got spotty. So, dito dyan ako na-realize people na when I get those red spots during my like super, di ko sure nga it's part of being a mom or becoming a mom na mag-worry ka, like super worry ka sa imuhang baby. Ganun. Like, yeah, paon sa man is dili siya. Dili. Ako naman sa YouTube, dili siya. Yeah, let's go that happen na to is, I got, narealize ako na sige ko inom og pineapple. Maka-ano di siya. Ano di ang apple, pineapple, rather. Makatabang og daily, open sa imuhang cervix, and wala ko kabaluwa to, so I got that pineapple on the pineapple. Got that red spots. Ganun. Pero, during my check-up, agad-agad na check-up. Oh, okay, di si baby and all of the things. Thank God. Wait, ko naman doon eh. Diba? Di ko kabalo. So, I have this gut. So, thank God. Okay, si baby after that time. And my partner also worries ako like super bonggahang red spot good. Then, after that, life happened. Got singalan sa maniwi nang gahi ng muta. Got got travel to Taiwan. No? Got travel to Taiwan, my first international country na visit. So, I got those things lang. No? During my during my sige, yung tawag ito? My 3rd month. So, napa-energy, magtug Taiwan. Pero to tell you honestly, katong sa among trip sa Taiwan, is ma-enjoy ni mo siya, but when nagsapak ka, it's like, mag-unahon na ka people to having that, dili na ako i-push. Tapos akong kauban pa dito ato, which is my friend sa work, si Carla and Hazel. Wala sila kabalo nga boss ko. So, siguro, nagduda sila, anong dali na makikapoy sila, Yula, tapos makipag-uli na yun right after laag. So, it's just that, ang pinaka-exhaust lang na ako ato nga day, kung during laag na mo, is, the day 2, which is yung DIY na mo nga, sige, lakaw-lakaw. Super init. Super hang, like at some point of, time, atong adlaw, wala juga energy. Like, you can't have that energy to push. And it's okay. No, it's okay to experience that, and it's okay to feel that all along. It's you creating a human inside your body. So yeah, let's just take that. So, yeah, time went by. During my 5th week, I guess. So, time na ato na nag-plan for pamamanhikan and all of these things. So, got namanhikan is around September 26, which is went good. Okay, which is intimate enough nga sa family and their family, immediate family ra. And sa ako ang side ko, which is yeah, it went so well and having that dinner. So, pagkaugma ato is back at work. Yeah, really happy. It's just that some of them, pamanikan siya because she's pregnant. Well, a lot of them say, pero yeah, it's just that I'm having those things when went along. So yeah, it's okay to not, to not that grasp too much. Yun nga sila, ang plan ni Lord is much better than yours. So, yeah, go ahead na lang. But I love my husband. I really love him so much. Husband, wala pag ikasal. Then after that, pamamanikan. Ano pa, naglaag pa sa Lake Maragang. Ang buntis. So, gamay kugti yan during my buntes era. Minda ko lang siya around 5 to 6 months. Katong a lot of my immediate family na kabalo and his family also. So, yeah. Pwede rin yung ko naligo pag lake ang babaji. Nagstay pa dito, nag-walkie-walkie pa sa all along that treks. So, yeah. Ako na ba? More magula effect. May effect ba? Hindi maklaro, diba? Pero more sa wala effect ang foundation sa Athens. So, yeah, let's get this done na lang. Kung sa man siya. It's this for anti-wrinkle. Is it supposed to be in this way? Where my wrinkle goes to? And here? Yeah, it goes along that way. So, after Lake Maragang, dito na ako nag-seryoso sa akong life, nadili na ako mag-super laag. Gusto mo dyan ako maglaag, people. Ambot ba? Murag zero akong gina-crave sa akong paburo sa paglaag. Pero after that Lake Maragang, dito na ako na-realize nga, I'll be careful. Kaya mag-turn to 6 to 7 months na ako ang tigan. So, hindi nakakiyat si Manyas. So, ulan na siya, people. Weather update ng buhos na yun ang ulan si Kinavohi. Mag-contour pa. How can it? So, motor siya. After that, pamamantika, Lake Maragang, and all. So, got celebrated my, Thanksgiving sa kumpanya. And things along goes well over there. So, yeah. Ganun. So, a lot of people says na, di naman kayo kung pinisiwa, pagulos. Okay. Ganun na ang response. When people say, birthday kayo, I just get to smile at them. You're asking the obvious one. So yeah, magpuyo na lang. Ganun. Ganon. So, isa pa ba? Kung siya. After that, to shop it ng December, tas, na rin yun, prep for, actually, hapit na ako mag-labor. Mentally prepared yung ko, people. Ako yung akong ready akong self na. A lot of people say, hello, sakit ka ba yun? Yes, I know that. I'm aware of that. And by that time, I really prepare myself mentally, physically. Like, I'm really preparing myself na sakit yun mag-labor. Sakit yun man. Ganun. And you know what? God is so good. And during my labor, Wala gid ko niya gilisod-lisod. No? And I really thank God sa ako ang sa ako ang journey sa akong pag-labor ni Bambam ni Luis. And I don't know what really happened sa akong face. Una ba na? So yeah, a lot of them asking na how it went down. So it went well. It went well. It's some sort of like tinuod jud ilang giingon people na if you're going to 37 weeks, 38 weeks, there na gyud manggawa sa imuhang there na gyud manggawa sa imuhang kaigihan na gusto na ka mga anak kay makaning kawas sa pagburos. And I really experienced that thing. Pwede mga anak na inana. Pwede karon ng Lord. January pag ito ka. So of course, continue check up and all of these things. Tapos, wala check up, then 1 cm dilated na DI around January 31 something. Tapos may eskwela pag yun kong masteral atong January 30. Sabado ba siya? Sabado. Dili 31. Yots, 31. Tapos, dili 30. 32 siya, 30. Tapos si mama, para daw ma-exercise. Baklay ko niya gikan sa bularan sa pagadian pa dulong Robinson people. Dito da pa sa may highway. Tunga-tunga ka na isla-isla. Tiga baklay mi hastang tunga-tunga sa init kay around pila ba to? Alas 12? After lunch? Mga ana. Kaya gikan na may check up. Tapos 1 cm na ko. Pabaklay ko ni mama. Tapos what happened is, sabi nagabaklay ko, ako na to, dili ko makuyapan. Dapat dili ko makuyapan. Kaya tunga-tunga sa kainit, basta hindi na ako kaya ni. Sa mga buta like shadow. Dili na ako kaya ni, ganun. So gradually, that's something up. Ako ang life. Mabasin. Uy! Have that color na. Mabasin diri ako makuyapan sa akong ginabuhay diri sa pagburo sa pagkadian city nga pabakay ko gikag bularan padulong sa Robinson. Ganun. So I'm afraid of kanang bitang tunga-tunga sa dalan, mahimatay ka, ganyan. And what got me something is that okay man di ay. Bad girl, need you back. Ganun. Tapos pagka 31, 30 sa 30, wait, 31 ba siya? Basta something basta 1 ko nang anak. 31, basta 31 to siya. 31 di siya 31. This is something nga time. So, pagtulog na ko, nakamata ko alas, around 11. Kay, sakit akong tiyan. So, around 11, around the time, 38 weeks, exact 38 weeks ako. So, full term na ako ang tiyan. So, pwede na ako manganak every time. So, I'm happy that time. During the time, I'm very, 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 very happy. If makaingon dyan ka, finally, makalingkawas na dyan ko. Kaingon dyan ka, ana. So, marang ma-feeling mo nga for the whole year of 2025, buros ka te. Ganun. So, I'm really happy during that time, ang 38 weeks, Domingo man to. Baga-baga rin kayo siya. I don't know. So, muna to, Around that time, kay... Lapas man it say. How can I get this one? Lapas din, lapas. Maragtabili. Tapos, ano na rin, may ako normal contraction siya. So, gitulog-tulogan ako. So, I just get to remember ng sa doktor, if you're having contractions nga, ang interval is between 5-10 minutes, ganun. Tapos, masakit imunti yan, or a seconds, maybe. Dahil labor na kaday. So, kung ibuhat is that, wala, chill, kabalo kong ala. Ang contraction is, gamay yung interval na ba, mag-contract nga agad imunti yan, ganun. So, what I really did, is gitulog-tulogan ako siya. Pakatulgas ako, at, wala ako nga, pakatulgas ako. So, yeah, legit, yung tulog ko. Ganon. Ganonan. Ay, shock. Ganon siya, ganon. Yung tulog-tulog ko. So, pag-abot day sa singalan na. Around 12 seconds naman ang interval. So, ako pa dyan siyang gipugan-pugan. Ako kaingon kay lahat man ang kwarto sa sala, nagtulog sila magpapa. So, ako dyan gipugan-pugan. Lugay kita mo mag-wake up pa ni sige tabi. Ako gipugan-pugan. Tapos, around that time, mga around 4, naglakaw si Papa kami agtug San Miguel Gato daw kumanghod. So, kami na lang mama labirin. No, so, ang gibuhat is wala ko gatugan. So, gapugong-pugong ako sa kong self na siya glitters. Gaputan ko glitters. I don't know if makita. But I'm having that right now. Kawala na ka makeup. Wow, proud moments. Ganon. That's what happened is that around 6 a.m. nag-ingon ako, mama, sige ako kayan. Ngayon, kasi pagbaklar ako niya. Tapos tawagan niya si Papa. Wala niya ipadadali. Kaya basta mulupat si Papa dahil mag-jet plane. Nagmotor siya. So, wala niya giingin si Papa agad. Paabot. Napos siya, paabot tayo mong Papa. Ako, paabot ako ni Papa. Okay. So, around Loday. Kaya ngon ko, ang contraction is, sa ko ang during sa kong pag-labor. Like, labor. Active labor na ko ato around padulong na 7 a.m. Meron siya tubol nga taing nga gaong-ong sa imuhang cats. Nga need di mo igawas. So, ganunan lang siya. So, I'm having that feeling na inato. Kung sa man yung blush on. Is this the real thing? So, ganun. Yung paint na siya ng faint. So, ganunan lang. Pag-abot niya, kay Papa, magsakay doon kami badya atong padulong na lang sa pagayan. Super naman jud ka, lamig na kay utong. Like, super utong, nalindot na kayo magawa siya. Mas mapog niya o siya. Di ako sa napogngan. Ganon. Akong ipogngan. I don't know if this is, kung di ko kabala mag-blush on, imagine na akong gina-hate sa ako pag makeup kay the blush on is not blush on eh. Or sa ako lang nung di ko ganahan sa blush on. So, motor siya, around having that, kay nagtagbo, magbadya na, so, nagsakay kong badya. Gutong-gutong ko sa badya. So, around sa crossing sa Mahayag, nabot naman si Papa. So, bayot, naratal ako ang amahan. Pagtumig center. Having that, nawag ambulansya. Domingo pag yun to, Domingo. So, wala kayo, dapat pantawgon sila. Very, very heavy. Para maagto ko, kaya ng emergency. So, what happened is that, na mga connections. Ginahemo na gito, ginahemo. Wala lagi ako pikas upping kasi sa pikas upping. Mura na siya hapo, gabi pero ano pa siya, around, siya sa 3-7. Pero ang panahon is very gabi na kasi dag-om. Na, di mo ako kabalo mag-blush on. Bala na ni. Na. Oh, di ba ko kabalo? Excuse me. Moto dahil gisulod kong ambulansya, gidagan. Around 35 minutes siguro ng biyahe nga instead 1 hour. Nakuha sa ambulance. Muna to ni Jot Churenden. Pag-abot na ako dito sa hospital is crowning na dahil ako ang Bambi sa akong kex. So, yeah. Diretso agad sa delivery room. Thank you, God, for having that strength. And preparations ako ang kinambuhi. Ang ka-apwera lang is, yes, mentally prepared ko nga mag-labor ko and delivery. Pero wala ko na-prepare. Natahion din akong cakes. Ganon. So, I'm having that kaingon jud kog sakit tapos dayon sa actual labor sa actual delivery sa baby. So, mga tulo ka push lang siguro to nako, baby's out na. So, I'm really thankful kay God ato. Super. Wala, nakampat na. Really thankful sa iya. All those things, hindi hatag na kusog. Nakampat na. So yeah, I'm having that time. Pero pag tahi, makaingon dito ko kaingon agay. Wala ko gahilak dahil during labor, during delivery. Wala ko gahilak. Ako lang kakuan is, naka-feel pa dyan sa, mas naka-feel pa na akong ang sakit sa tahi kaysa sa actual all those things and up. So, mga ito, ganunan lang. Baby's out, then out to delivery room. And all the things went bare hand. Ganon. So, public hospital man to siya. Kaya mag-expected kag nyaon. All these things. As ako, ang asawa ito is that napa siya sa work. After apas lang siya. Ganon. So, that happened. So, February 1, 2026, got my baby. I've got my Eloisette. So, I named him Eloisette because I like the name Louis. Like, ganahan dyan ko panalaki nga ngalan. Kung mahimo pa lang, gi-Anthony na ko siya, gi-Dominic na himo na ako. Pero I really got the love, Louis. Pero gusto na ako i-remain pa dyan ang E. Nag-start sa name ba. So, got that Eloise. Then, yung set is, pangalan na ako siya, Eloise. Then, Seti Eloise. Kaso, ang husband ako is gusto niya Kiana, naisumpay sa pangalan niya Kiana. Gusto niya yung name si Kiana. So, got to realize, makipag-awit ako, ipabutang man yung name Kiana, nga super maot. Di man siya super maot ha, pero it's out of, kung isumpay na mong Eloise at Kiana, so more siya, kung matawag mo Kia, ganun. So, ganun man siya. Get remembered nga ay. Ako lang ipahinumdang ko gagalingon nga naman di ko yung asawa. So, di po kakabuot sa inga kana-kana nga name. Kaya di naman ikaw gahimuan na. So, mga na ito siya. Sa maning nga. Uy. Naman to ako ang bagis-bagis sa ano. Ay, dapat yung lintan. Ang highlighter. Uy! Highlighter. Madali siya. Got the name Eloisette Kiana. Eloisette. Eloiset. Eloiset Kiana. Sa akong baby. And I'm really happy. Na ako baby. Really happy. So got that, got those things up, birth certificate, ka-process, and all of these things. Like, makaingon yung thank you so much, Lord God, for sustaining us sa kinabuhi. Nana ko siya yun na guys, pwede ko kabalo kabalo na sa tuo, kabalo, pero sa wala, dili na kabalo. So, muna siya got that, got that, birth certificate process. Tapos after 2 days, discharge ko, the 3 days, discharge ng baby. Weighing 2.6 kilogram. And then, yung may nga nagsakay uba-uba, sabay. I love this one. Di ako kabalo, pero, let's try this one. Na lang, for mahuman purposes. So, got that. So, makaingon jud ka nga, every milestone si mong baby, you will become super happy. But at the same time, masad ka. Because they're growing up so fast. She's growing up so fast. Kaingon jud ka. Like, legit, makarelate na jud ko gingan nila nga. Tama-tama na imuhang baby while they're still a baby. Kay, mabot yun ang point sa imong kinabuhi nga, aling kalitlag butsyog imong baby. Ano siya? Kalitlag kuan imong baby, dako. Hindi na ako kabalo. Nawala na siya nagtupong. Alam itong alumni people, it just grew nung college na ako. O diba? Inanay siya. Yung isa, naabot na sa habog. Like, come on, man. Sige, lagyan na ito hilab. Dali, naman takabalo dito lapita. So, got this one. Really feel ako need po na ako so much here. Hindi ko kapalo. Hindi isa. Muna to. I'm having a baby. This life happened. Ganun. Tas, wedding got supposed to be last, March 26. March 26. Kaso, got infected, got cellulitis diri sa ako ang face. Left side sa ako ang face. So, wala na dayon, kigat confined man. Tapos na, discharge lang is 25 gabi eh. So, ang preparation is, wala siya. So, siguro, God has other plan. And, redirected lang ang plan sa life. So, it's just that, okay, we trust you, Lord. We trust your, we trust your bigger plan. So, kinabuhi and got those things. So, yeah, back to wedding planning again. Hopefully, we'll do another we'll do another vlog after wedding. Hopefully, madayon. And hopefully, himsog ang lawas and all sa tanan. Para, madayon na siya. And, manto. Kulang lang siya line diary. It's around 40 minutes na itong nakuha. Manito siya, kabala di ka mag-anani na you're not that pro. Super lang siya. Light. Ang blush yun, wala pa nagkadimao. Huwag yun akong weakness sa makeup, guys. Kaya ang blush yun is dili dyan na ako mahimo. So yeah, life update is currently waiting na back to work karong May 17 in God's strength. Yun akong baby is having that milestone around 4 months na po. 4 months? Around 3 months. And yeah, I'm having that. My baby is growing so fast. And I'm really happy. Like, unta Lord, super healthy. Nag-ilayo sa sa kinabuhi. So, yeah, this is our final look. Di siya final look, people, kaya ang hair is not hairy. So, paunsa pa niya siya. Yeah. Our druggy hair. Let's have this one na lang. Wow! Ganon na. So, that would be all sa atong video and life update sa kinabuhi. So, it's around running for 45 minutes and I hope nga Yula, when you see this video soon, like a month later or years later siguro, you will be the one who gonna say na life gets better and your plans is happening. And when God redirected you to other plans, you will be grateful also. I'm blessed enough to say na God redirected you to a bigger things in life. So I hope you don't settle for having such a negative thought sa life and sa kinabuhi, sa tanan. So when people ask you na how life becomes when you're a mother na, well, tell them na, well, life goes on. It's just that you're having that baby, you're having a family, and all of that sent by God sa gift sa imong kinabuhi na nag-add color sa imong life is such a beautiful things to enjoy about. So yeah, hope to see you soon and hope to upload another video soon. maybe a month later or a few months later. So, yeah, if someone will watch this, I hope you're okay and you're doing well, still life and fighting.